Do you know what? I'm losing track of what days we're on. This is day 18. There we go, day 18. So I've got a thinner jacket on. I hope I don't regret that. Alexa says that it's 11 degrees and no rain expected. We're looking at the sky. It does look as if rain might be expected. But we'll have to wait and see. There's blue sky up there, Mike. We just can't see it.
She's making a move. Between us, but Julie was far enough away.
Mike said, use my camera sparingly. I only switch it on when I've got something interesting to say. Well, I've done my yeehaw and I've said what Alexa's told me the weather's going to be and what day it is of our challenge. So having done all the interesting things, that's it. Bye from me. See you at the end of the ride. Is that all right, Mike?
Yeah, sure.
Have I done okay?
Yeah, that works for me.
Yeah, I'm getting used to this YouTube stuff, aren't I?
That's it. Far left to edit.
Oh yeah. You got to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah,
bye.
Meow. Is Velodome open then? Yeah, let's go.
Wow, you can see a long way along from here. I suppose it's quite high here, I hadn't thought about that. Now Mike said I had to start the yeehaw earlier, so here we go. Yeehaw! That was a bit forced. I didn't enjoy that one as much. The trouble is, I just do that just to release my stress. And when you're doing it on purpose, it's not quite the same. That wasn't the same.
Honestly, the cows around here are rubbish. Most of them are laid down. We haven't had any rain yet.
They weren't hedging their bets, were they?
No, but well, I don't know. Obviously, I probably shouldn't have said that. We'll see what happens. I said they were laying down, we haven't had any rain yet.
Sure, you're so clever, aren't you?
I know.
senses work in unison together. And the mask, yeah, you can't hear.
Oh, well.
I've had so many people say that this week though.
Yeah.
I can't hear you, I've got my mask on.
That's right. We're out a bit earlier this morning, so hopefully I'll have time to clean the bikes and do the video. It's a funny thing, in the week, when I have no time, the video takes about an hour to an hour and a half to edit. At the weekend, it just seems to take forever.
Hiya. Hiya.
I think I've got some crap on my chain. Oh, that's knocked it off. There you go, it's knocked off the other side. That's what a front neck is for. To rub the mud off each side of your chain. I think we're going to have trouble with coffee today.
Why?
I don't have my cards with me.
Oh! I never carry my cards, I leave it to Mike. Actually, I'm alright. I've got the Coffee No. 1 app. And I've got money on that. Mike just said about editing. And he takes longer to edit it at the weekend. Well, that's because he's got time to do it. Because he hasn't got clients chasing him. So he's got time to enjoy it. Same with me at the weekend. Sometimes I just enjoy cycling. Whereas in the week, it's a job. Exercise. Got to be done.
We were just talking about what it's like to be in your 50s this morning. It's good fun because you sort of get your life back, but there are certain elements to it. They're a little bit frustrating. One of them is getting your mucking words fuddled.
Yeah.
Looks like Julie's going to drop me on the hill. Car up. Now you see why you can't really barrel down there at 40 miles an hour. It's wet and slippy and not very wide.
You know that hill that I had a rest on yesterday? After my little bit of food. We've just gone up that. And I have to say, I'm glad I didn't put that extra layer on. My body is nice and warm. And I worked quite hard there, so pleased with that. Hiya. Hey! That was excellent fun. Hiya.
A little bit into the wind, unfortunately.
Both of us have put a bit of effort in, so steamed up our glasses in several places, so a sign that we've worked hard.
Well, we're on 23.2. We're about 8 miles from home, so we're definitely going to do the 25, and it's just starting to drizzle. So yeah, the cows were rubbish. Most of them were stood up, so they know nothing.
Oh, I definitely need windscreen wipers.
Amongst the many things I like about this bike is zero toe overlap. Even with size 11 feet and the cleats push quite a long way back up my foot, so just sort of confidence in manoeuvring.
Oh, he's staying on the road today.
Unreal, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, under the railway line, there's an open girder bailey bridge. Thank you. Just along here. But I reckon there's still a good chance there ain't going to be a train going over. Because that's our luck, isn't it? But here's the bridge. No, I can't hear anything on the line. Yeah, well you can always hear the line, can't you?
Yeah!
No, it's too open, isn't it?
Yeah, not really echo.
Oh well. Maybe another time. When the opportunity's there, you might as well take it. Everybody's coming this way, aren't they? No, we're going. Yep. Woo!
Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.
I think we've really got to get better at this. Well, I guess if we're going to do it, we're going to do it our way.